Hey guys, it's Moses here at the Driver Success Channel. Hope you guys are doing well. So today I just want to share with you about what has been happening in my life. So since the beginning of this year, I decided to put off working out because I wanted to focus on working on the Driver Success brand, if I may say. So I started out with a podcast, trying to figure out stuff, how to do the podcast, and then I was also working on the website and of course this YouTube channel, and trying to get different pieces together, trying to learn stuff, how to do stuff, and that takes really a lot of time. It also takes a lot of energy on your mind, on your brain. So I realized that it was gonna be hard for me to go to work, put in long hours, and then come home, get on the computer trying to figure out this stuff, and then wake up in the morning and start working out. It was hard for me because I was getting less hours of sleep, which isn't really good when you are working out and then you are using your brain a lot. It may not be that good, and putting in long hours, right? So I realized it was becoming harder, so I decided I was gonna wait and first put off the working out and first figure out this stuff with Driver Success. Well, I'm now at the point where even though I haven't yet figured out everything the way I want it, at least I'm at a point where I feel like I'm getting a handle of it and I can now resume my working out, because I don't want to really overstay when it comes to working out. It's very dangerous. You know, as truck drivers, we sit a lot, we work long hours, and it's hard for you to make an excuse not to work out. So I don't want to become lazy when it comes to taking care of my health. So I haven't been working out for months. This week I decided I needed to get back in shape. So I just want to encourage you, if you are out there and you've been putting off working out, you've always been making excuses and just saying you will get to it, now is the time to start. All you have to do is to start somewhere. Start small, start somewhere, and then build from there. So this week I decided to get back in shape, and I've worked out all 5 days of the week, and I started small, and I'm gonna be building on that. This week I focused on mostly burpees, and then put in a little bit of push-ups, and I started small. That's the whole idea. Just start somewhere, just start small, and then build from there. As the weather is getting better, I encourage you to start now, so that by the time the weather is really all good, you are just in full mode of working out, so that you can get back in shape if you haven't been working out and if you haven't been in shape. We need to be proactive as truck drivers, because health is very important and it's part of being successful. So I just wanted to encourage you and just show you what I did throughout the week, and hopefully somebody else will be motivated to go and start working on their health. So that's it for this week. I will see you in the next video next week.